Good day to you, gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. It's good to know you. I hope all is well. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Subscribe and become a member of the Rich Boy family. For the rest of you brothers, hit that thumbs up for me. Here we go. The concept of purpose extends far beyond a simplistic definition. It embodies a profound significance in our lives. Purpose serves as a guiding principle, shaping our values, goals, and decisions. It is often described as the reason for our very existence, instilling a sense of direction that propels us forward through life's myriad challenges. Understanding purpose in a meaningful way can influence our mental well-being, fostering resilience and enhancing overall life satisfaction. Gentlemen, on an emotional level, having a purpose resonates deeply. It offers a sense of belonging, creates rich connections with others, and contributes to our identity. In times of uncertainty or distress, this anchoring force can be especially soothing, providing comfort, solace, and clarity. Brothers, they motivate us to overcome obstacles and inspire us to engage actively with our communities and the world around us. Reflecting on your journey, it becomes vital to consider how personal experiences, values, and aspirations have contributed to the distinct understanding of purpose. Engaging in such reflection can illuminate pathways that may otherwise remain hidden. Your reflecting will actually encourage exploration and growth. As we dig deeper into this discussion, it is important to recognize the varied interpretations of purpose, allowing each of you a narrative to emerge and unfold uniquely, enriching both personal and collective experience. Gentlemen, I know some of you are looking for meaning. Who doesn't and who hasn't? The inherent desire to find meaning in life is a fundamental aspect of the human experience. Throughout history, philosophers and psychologists have explored this quest for significance, recognizing that men are driven by the need to understand our purpose and place in the world. From existentialists like Jean-Paul Sartre, modern psychologists such as Viktor Frankl, these thinkers have highlighted that the search for meaning greatly influences not only our decisions, but also our overall life satisfaction. Understanding our purpose is a profound journey that often begins with a clear recognition of our personal values. These values serve as fundamental principles that guide decision-making and help shape our identity. Identifying these core convictions is not merely an exercise. It lays the groundwork for discovering a fulfilling life path. Central to this process is the practice of self-reflection, which encourages individuals to delve deeply into their beliefs and priorities. One effective method for uncovering personal values is, of course, through journaling. Brothers, it's good to write things down. When we dedicate time to write down thoughts and feelings about various aspects of life, we can highlight what truly matters to us. Questions like, what brings me joy? Not happiness. Joy, happiness external. Joy is internal. Or better yet, what am I willing to stand up for? Questions like these can help spark insights into personal values. And over time, reviewing these written reflections enables a clearer understanding of what one cherishes most, acting as a blueprint for future decisions. Ultimately, my brothers, recognizing personal values is a pivotal step in the quest to find purpose. By employing practices like journaling and initiating meaningful discussions, we can articulate our intrinsic values, which form the cornerstone of our life's trajectory. Strengthening this understanding leads to greater clarity and a more authentic pursuit of purpose, ensuring that your journey is rooted in what genuinely matters to the individual. We'll continue this conversation in our next video. And don't forget, listen to our discipline series listed below. Brothers, keep your head up. I'll catch you on the next video. Gentlemen, Let's get it. Shalom.